Nowadays, there is an ongoing debate that homework should be banned. This is very good idea, but I completely oppose this. There are some reasons. First of all, if you think that homework should be banned, then I say that okay, this narrative is implicable. Which country? In developed country. In the developed country, their father, mother, both of them are job holder, and they send their child into the school. And their school or educational institution is not like our educational institute. It's actually completely different. It's act as a daycare center also, or you can say as boarding school. So in this type of school, students spend a lot of time in their school with their teachers. So that's why they can take this narrative. They can implement this narrative that students don't have to provide any homework. They go to their home for refreshment, for relief. But in our country, it's completely different. Look about our Bangladesh. It's a third world country. Most of the family members here in our Bangladesh, they are not job holder. Like in every family, there are one or two, sometimes father, sometimes uncle. They are job holder, but their mothers, I think most of the time, their mothers are not job holder. So this type of concept is not equal here. You know that mother is the best teacher for every child. So I think here a mother can influence a child more than a teacher. So that's why I think that here in this case homework should not be banned. The child with his mother, he can solve more and more problem. He can practice more and more. So this is the first thing. Then second thing is in our country, we don't see that our child spend a lot of time in their school. Sometimes I see that only 3 hours or sometimes 2 hours, even sometimes 4 hours they spend in their school. So it's not a huge time. So if anyone try to ban homework, then this type of work should be done in the school. But if you are implementing this, then this is the extra pressure for the child. So I think it should be avoided. So what you have to do, you have to give them homework. So this is the second thing. And the third thing is someone may ask him that why not you increase the time period what students spend in their school. So this is not actually applicable in our Bangladesh, because our Bangladesh government don't have such amount of money provided for the school. This is the first thing. And not only our government, but also our parents, they don't have such amount of money to provide their educational institution and to spend their child's education. So this is the third thing. And here is some exception. Think about the people from Gulshan, Bonani, and the people from business class family or political background. They may have a huge amount of money, so they can spend for their child a huge amount of money. They can admit their child into English medium school, or their child can spend a huge amount of time in their school. So at that time, I think this narrative is true. But 90% of this case, where the parents are from middle class family, where they don't have enough job, or they don't have enough financial security at that time, I think this narrative is not applicable. And also when a child he is doing homework at that time, it also increase his creativity also. Someone may say that brother, if I give a homework at that time, the child or the student, they may use internet. So you don't have to worry about this, because using internet is nowadays think as a skill, and in this modern world, without this type of skill, I think you can't survive. So obviously I said again that homework should not be banned.